Did you know? Artificial intelligence has created as many images in the last few years as photographers have captured in the past 150 years. This explosion of AI-generated content is reshaping our visual landscape, making it increasingly challenging to differentiate between real and AI-created images. This video is your guide to spotting these AI-generated visuals. So buckle up and stay with us as we dive into the expertise of professionals who work extensively with AI-generated images. First off, we'll explore visual defects that serve as clear indicators of AI involvement. Disproportions are a common giveaway. An AI algorithm might generate an object that's unusually large or small, or perhaps symmetric where it shouldn't be. Composition fusion is another telltale sign. This is when different elements within an image appear abruptly transitioned, or when objects seem to merge together unnaturally. Hair is an area where AI often stumbles. Look for unrealistic hair patterns, disconnected strands, or peculiar glows that just don't look right. Hand positions, too, can sometimes give the game away. Distorted fingers or physically impossible poses are clear signs of AI involvement. Remember, AI isn't perfect, and these visual defects are your first clue. AI also tends to slip up when it comes to text and settings. Let's delve into this. In many AI-generated images, you'll notice inconsistent fonts, styles, sizes, and spacing. This is because AI often struggles to maintain a consistent textual aesthetic within a single frame. So if you spot unreadable, nonsensical, or overlapping text, it's a clear sign of AI involvement. Now, turning to settings, AI's boundless creativity often leads to the presence of fictional elements, empty eyes in portraits, and unlikely combinations of elements that rarely coexist in the real world. These unrealistic settings are another telltale sign of AI's handiwork, so next time you see an image with peculiar text or an unlikely setting, think twice before believing it's real. Finally, let's talk about how composition and texture can give away an AI-generated image. Pay attention to perfect lighting. It often appears too artistic to be real. Also, keep an eye out for overly smooth textures. The artificial intelligence tends to overdo it, especially when creating skin, hair, and fabric textures. These subtle signs can be your reliable clues in spotting AI involvement. Now you're equipped with the knowledge and skills to confidently identify AI-generated images. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to approach digital imagery with a critical eye. Remember, it's often a combination of artifacts that reveals the image's artificiality. Now, armed with the knowledge from this video, you're ready to face the digital world with a discerning eye. Spot those disproportions, hair anomalies, unnatural hand positions, textual inconsistencies, and unrealistic settings. Identify overly smooth textures and perfect lighting. So go ahead, use these tips, trust your common sense, and start spotting the unreal in the digital landscape.